Shenzhen User Special Display Technologies Company Limited was established in 2008. User is specialized in industrial and commercial-grade LCD displays. We can customize 5-inch to 98-inch LCD video walls, CCTV LCD monitors, digital signage, all-in-one PCs, touchscreen displays. According to customers' requirements, over 23 R&D and QC employees guarantee the product quality, and we keep developing new and innovating intelligent displays. With 2,800 square meters of factory and skilled workers, ensures us to meet even the harsh deadlines when producing large quantity orders. Our certifications are extensive, from ISO 9001, CCC, CE certificate permitted. In 2014, User was awarded National AAA Grade Credit Enterprise in China. In 2016, User was awarded National High-Tech Enterprises in China. User's products have been widely used in a variety of areas such as traffic control centers, airports, media centers, shopping malls, banks, schools. We focus on commercial display solution, providing cost-effective products and customer-oriented services. User has become the ODM and OEM partners of a number of world-class companies. LCD series products have been exported to Russia, the United States, Canada, Italy, Australia, South Korea, Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. User will keep working hard to improve their offerings to let people enjoy the changes and convenience of new technologies. We welcome new partners to visit us and explore new business opportunities.